Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm here with an amazing video in which I will teach you brown makeup in full detail. So let's start. Here we are prepping the skin with the Vence moisturizer and then we are using ordinary serum. After leaving it for 10 minutes, you have to apply now eye base. So here we are using LA Girl Pro Concealer and we are making eye base, and you have to take little quantity of concealer and then tap it with the blender. And now we are applying Kiko Milano compact powder on the eyes because it will give you a long lasting matte eye makeup look. And now we are using La Ribe Cosmetic Dust Till On palette along with La Ribe Cosmetic blending brush. It's one of my favorite blending brush because it gives a smooth blending and the bristles are made of natural hair, so it gives an amazing result. You have to take one shade from the palette and apply it on both eyelids. The best thing about this palette is the shades are very pigmented and the whole look is created with only one shade. Now apply compact on brow bone, and after that you have to take eyeliner. It's all your choice if you want to use pen eyeliner or if you want to use gel eyeliner. It's totally up to you. I am using the pancake eyeliner. It's of Revlon company. And now you have to take a brush and dust off all the extra eyeshadow. And now we are going to take LA Girl concealer, which is in brown color, and apply it on the face, full face, because you have to make your skin even. And if you don't do this, your base will get oxidized and it will get gray in color. So you have to use concealer. It can be of any company. Now blend it well, and those who are new here, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now it's time to apply the base. Here we are taking MAC and Maybelline base. You have to mix them together in same quantity and apply it on face with the brush. The shade of MAC is NC15 and Maybelline base was 20. Here you have to remember one thing, you have to take base according to your skin type and your complexion. If I am applying these shades, that doesn't mean you have to apply same shade. You have to see first your skin type and your complexion, and then you have to buy the foundation. Always one shade lighter than your skin. Now blend it well with the blender. Here I am going to give you an amazing tip, which is always apply less quantity foundation on the skin and blend it well, and then you can reapply a heavier amount. It will give you a flawless look and the foundation will not look cakey. Most of the girls are always asking me why my base gets so much cakey, why my foundation is too much cakey. So they are applying too much quantity, so the base will get automatically cakey. Here you can see I have applied only one layer, and after blending it well, I am reapplying the base. It's okay if it takes too much time, doesn't matter, but you have to give a flawless look to your client. So you remember this tip. Then don't apply anything in too much quantity. Even this eyeshadow, take a less amount, then apply it, reapply it. Now you can see I have taken the foundation again and I am reapplying it on face and tapping it with the blender. Those who don't know how to apply foundation, the detailed videos are already uploaded on my YouTube channel and the links are in the description box. You can go through them, and if you need any help you can DM me and you can mention that in comment. Now we are taking compact of Maybelline and it's the same shade we have applied in foundation. So here we are tapping compact. You don't have to blend it with the rest of the foundation because it will leave the patches on skin. So you have to just tap on the rest of the T-zone. You can also apply it with brush. Now we are taking Crystalline Contouring shade, applying 01 shade on the face. This is very simple. You have to apply the contouring shade on 3 areas, which are the forehead, cheekbone and the nose. As my client's bones were prominent to me, so I knew it where to apply it. And now I am applying the contouring shade on the jawline. Now you have to apply it on left side too. I'm applying it all over where it was needed. Then after with the brush I have blended. Now after doing the nose contour, I am blending and merging the same shade with eyes. And after that we are applying Sweet Peach blush. And now we are using La Ribe Cosmetic blush brush and we are applying the blush on the apple of the cheeks. These brushes sets are amazing. The bristles are so soft and so smooth. It gives a flawless look. And applying the blush on nose as well, and you can see the result by yourself. It's amazing. I wanted to go with brown blush, but then I thought it will not look good, so I'm using here peach color. Now I will apply white pencil in the eyes because it will make the eye look more bigger. If you want to make your eye bigger, you have to use white pencil, liner, whatever. And if you want your make your client eye look smaller, then you have to use black kajal. Then on lower lash I have applied dark brown shade. Now my client is applying lipstick, and she did one thing with me. I wanted a flawless matte look, but she is using hair. I was busy with something else, and now she is using my highlighter. When I was capturing pictures after this look, and I asked her, why is your cheek so shiny, then she told me that I have applied highlighter. Now I have taken Direct Cosmetics lighter lashes, which are newly launched, and after that I am using a peach shade gloss to change this lipstick because it was not looking good with her, so I changed the lip color. Those who are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon because you will be notified about my all videos. Now I am making the eyebrows with the help of spoolie. It will give you a natural look. As you can see the result by yourself. You can also comb the brows before using the spoolie, and after that we have applied mascara, which is of Kiko Milano, and this mascara is Express Club with the volume, and I have bought this from UAE. Now you have to apply the mascara on lower lash. Kiko Milano is one of my favorite brand which have amazing products, and now I am applying highlighter on the duck area. So the look is completed. I hope everyone loved it. I have explained each and everything and showed you every product. If you still have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. See you guys in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.